In this video, we're going to unbox your SOS mobile device and show you how to install and test your device as well. Before we get started, let's take a look at what you will receive in your package. The Bay Alarm Medical package comes with everything you need to get your system set up and ready to use. The Quick Start Guide will walk you through the simple steps that you should do before using your device. First, read through the user manual for setup instructions, helpful tips, testing, and more. Now let's go over the 4 easy-to-use pieces that come with your package. The belt clip. This can be used to hold the SOS device and clip onto your belt or a bag. The easy plug-and-play charging cradle is what you will use to charge your SOS mobile device. This is the SOS mobile device. It has a 2-way speaker and an emergency push button that you will use when you need help or for testing. And I'll show you how to run a device test in just a moment. You'll also receive an optional lanyard. If you don't want to use the belt clip, you can wear the device around your neck with the lanyard. It has a magnetic clasp that makes it really easy to put on and take off. Now it's time to install and test your SOS mobile device. First, find a good location to keep the charging cradle. We recommend a commonly used room for easy accessibility and visibility. Somewhere with a window and open space is always best. Commonly used rooms are the user's bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen. Next, it's time to charge the device. Simply plug the power cord into a working outlet. Make sure not to use an outlet that's controlled by a light switch to avoid accidentally turning off the charger. Now, take your SOS mobile device and place it in the charging cradle. Make sure it's facing in the right direction to get the proper charge. The lights will blink while it's charging, and solid red means that the device is fully charged.
Charging.
Now you're ready to test the device. All you need is your fully charged SOS mobile device. To test your device, simply press the help button one time.
Calling the support center.
The alarm will send a signal to our USA-based monitoring center, and a dispatcher will connect with you over the 2-way speaker.
Hi, this is Megan with Bay Alarm Medical. Do you need help?
No, thank you so much. I'm just testing.
Okay, perfect. So you guys were testing, was that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Kindly
ma'am.
let them know
Thank
you
so
were
much.
okay in just
Yep,
testing.
bye-bye.
Once you have completed a successful test, you are ready to go. To access the included Caregiver Tracking app feature, simply download and log into the Account Manager app. If you need further assistance with the app, testing, installing, or have any other questions regarding the SOS mobile device, give us a call at 1-877-522-9633. Thanks for watching.